Baddie yaddy 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 baddie yaddy 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 yaddy. So hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vimasi Queen and you're welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. It's my YouTube channel. You guys should just welcome me anytime I come back because I also work. I have a 9-to-5 job, and trust me, doing that and also trying to keep up with YouTube is a lot. Y'all know that our channel is still, small. I'm so happy to be back here, y'all. From the topic, guys, you already know what's going down. How to be a baddie. How to be a baddie on a budget. I got you. Let's get into it. So number one on how to be a baddie: get you a job. Get you an actual paying job. Okay, I know this does not sound like what you want to hear. How are you going to be a baddie if you don't have no job? Is it that you get yourself a job or you get yourself a handwork? This is Nigeria. Most people do handwork. You could learn how to buy and sell on social media. That's very popular right now. Your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Facebook. You could be an entrepreneur. You could be a fashion designer. You could be a hairdresser. You could do a lot of stuff to make yourself some cool money. You could get a YouTube channel. People might like you and begin to subscribe to you, and you can make money from off of there without going out of your way, without doing some things that you don't want to do. So get a job if you want to be a baddie. Another thing you need to do if you want to be a baddie is to budget your money. Hold on, hear me out. I know y'all about to roast me like, I thought being a baddie is about buying stuffs online, ordering designers and all this kind of thing. Sis, we don't got so much money and we still want to be a baddie and slay. So listen and listen good. This is gonna help you. You need to make do with what you have. What you earn needs to be enough. So you have to budget, kick out some things you don't need. Don't be out there buying unnecessary stuffs. Make sure you plan. If you want to buy a car, you have to budget and start saving to get you a car. You want to rent an apartment, you have to budget and start saving to rent an apartment. Or you want to start a business, you have to budget, start saving, to get you a nice business started. Like, you can wear one outfit 10 times, mix and match it like 100 million times. Nobody care. So far you know how to mix it. You don't need to be buying outfits every single day. You don't need that much outfits. You just need to know how to mix and match them. Period. Another way to be a baddie is you can thrift shop, like go thrift shopping. That you don't have to go to boutique to get everything you want. You can thrift shop. For example, this is thrift. This top I'm wearing is thrift. I wish I could show you my jean. It's so pretty and it's also thrift. You understand? If you know where to get the right thrift shop, you could get some really nice thrift outfits and you slay on a budget. You don't have to go and buy that one top that is for 15k or buy that one skirt that is for 20,000 naira to slay. You could also get one top for 2.5, one top for 3,000 or lesser, or way lesser, one top for 500, one top for 400. You could get it way lesser. Also, you get one pair of lashes for 3.5, 2.5, 3,000. If you can't afford it, there's a lot of vendors that sells these lashes. You can get like 5 in one for like 2.5. Really nice one. Like, look at the lashes I'm wearing, for example. I got it from a vendor on Instagram, and this comes in like 8 pieces of these lashes for 2,000 naira. Tell me if these lashes I'm bad. Also, you don't need to always wear them bundle hair, them lace frontal wigs, all those kind of things, those expensive bone straight wigs and all those things to be a baddie. Now take a look at this that I'm wearing. You could braid your natural hair. You could braid your hair back. Just be funky and stylish with whatever it is you have. Like I said earlier, make do with what you have. You can make your natural hair and look like this. Tell me if I'm not looking pretty. I'm going to insert some other pictures of braids so you can see what I'm talking about. Another way to be a baddie is to be a go-getter. Baddies are go-getters. We have dreams, aspiration, and we make them realities. Just make sure that you're setting goals and you're meeting them. You're consistent in whatever you want to do. You understand? Am I preaching? Am I communicating? Are you listening? Are you taking notes? Another way to be a baddie is to take care of yourself. Get your nails done. I don't have my nails done here, but make sure they're neat. I mean, your body. Make sure your hair is done. You can lay your edges. Get some lashes if you can. Buy yourself some deodorant, buy yourself some nice perfume. And as a lady especially, you need to have some hygiene. You need to take care of yourself, smell good, wash yourself very well, wash your armpits, brush your teeth, scrub your tongue is very important. Wash down there the private area. One of the criteria to being a baddie is to be neat and smell nice. Trust me. You're not the baddie when you go around. It's not good for you. Not good. Not good. Get yourself some moisturizer. Moisturize your skin. Ain't nobody gonna be ashy. Like, as a baddie, you can't be out there being ashy, be having ashy skin, dry skin. There are a lot of very cheap moisturizer. Make sure you moisturize, sis. A baddie always moisturize. You know, take care of yourself, sis. So that's another way to be a baddie. Another way to be a baddie is to stay around positive people. Stay far away from toxic people. Don't be in toxic relationship. Don't be with a toxic boyfriend. You're not the baddie when you're in a toxic relationship or you're with a toxic boyfriend or with toxic friends. Don't be influenced. Like, you are not the baddie when anybody can influence you. You understand? So one of the ways to be a baddie is to make sure that you always stand your ground for the good thing. Another way to be a baddie, now these are for those that are in school. I mean, if you want to be a baddie, make sure that you're bringing home good grades. Good grades is very important as a baddie. It doesn't matter if you have to read and read and read. That's one sign that you're a baddie. That's one sign that you're a go-getter. Make sure that in school you're doing well. You're trying your best. Don't say because you're trying to be a baddie you're failing in school. Nah. No. I'm not in support of that. Your baddie has to be able to bring home good grades. And the way to be a baddie is to be respectful. I know some people think mean girls are cute, mean girls are pretty and all. Nah. You don't, just because you want to be a baddie, you don't have to be mean. You understand? Be respectful. Be respectful to people around you. Be nice. If you're respectful, people are going to like you. People are going to meet you and like you. And people can help you. You understand? By doing that, you're going to create good relationship with people, with your parents, with your family, with your friends, with your boyfriend. You understand? Ain't nobody going to be dumping you. At least make sure that your character is intact. As a baddie, you need to have good character. You understand? I mean, that's my ideology of being a baddie. Are you taking notes? Am I preaching? And finally, on being a baddie is to stay positive. You understand? Baddies are always positive. Ain't nobody gonna kill your shine. Ain't nobody gonna bring you down. Baddies are always positive. Make sure that you use these tips that I have shared to you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. And I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you, love you, love you. I love each and every one of you watching this video. And I'm going to see you very soon. Bye.